So yung pinasalamatan mo, yun yung, di ba ba? Yung pinasalamatan
Yes.
mo, sila yung hindi nag-sign.
7 yata yun eh. Sama si Senator Gatchalian, 7. Sama si Senator Gatchalian. Senator Bato,
Would you consider this a meeting on Fidea Leaks as one of the triggering factors while you were compelled or you offered to resign? Meron bang mga pressure? Kasi considering na the president is being implicated.
So kaya nag-speak sa'yo si Senator Bato. Kasi yung hearing niya.
your guess is as good as mine. I don't wanna say it, pero ganun talaga. Ako, I've been very loyal to our president, and in fairness, we've tried to give him good counsel. Nung sa PI, sinabihan ko po siya na masama po ito para sa ating bansa. Umpisa po ito ng kaguluhan. Di ko alam kung nakinig po siya sa akin o hindi. Ang akin lamang po dyan ay I try to give him good advice. Hindi yung rarara na ang galing mo, ikaw ang the best. Hindi tayo ganyan eh. We're always trying to give good advice, not only to him, but to everyone else in the cabinet. And I think they know that. So, ang akin, if that's the consequence of, this is a consequence of my being independent, fighting for the institution, then so be it. I'm happy to step down as a independent member of this institution who maintain the traditions and the rules of this institution till the very end.
Ba kayong kaalyado po ng administration or are you planning to transfer to
We will discuss this tonight.
Sir, pag-usapan.
Yeah, well, pag-usapan pa namin ngayong gabi yan.
Sir, did you try to speak dun sa grupo na nag-unseat sa inyo yung grupo nila Senator Cheese?
Hindi naman sila, hindi sila nakipag-usap sa amin. Hindi po sila nakipag-usap sa amin. But yung nakipag-usap sa akin, yung nag-trade-door sa akin, yung full support, ngayon, no support. Hindi na. Bahala na sila dyan. Pero okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. I don't want to rain again the parade. I don't want to rain on the parade of Senator Chis Escudero, our Senate President. He is a very capable leader, napaka-intelihente, napakagaling na abogado. And so, we just leave it at that. And kasama ko siya since 1998. Of course, we just hope and pray, and I appeal to him that he continues to adhere to the rules and traditions of the Senate. Huwag po siya alam mo, marami kasi mga bagong senador eh. Ang daming hinihingi mga concessions na pwede bang excuse na lang ganito, pwede bang ganito lang, pwede bang... we have to, if we do that, then mawawala po ang relevance ng Senado. We have to stick to the rules and traditions of the Senate and respect this. Ang dami ng senador na matay na hanggang kamatayan nila, ito po ang panindigan nila. As last bastion of democracy, this institution must remain steadfast.